Hey everyone, this is your trainer from the Electronic Service Division of the Akron-Summit County Library. In this segment, I'm going to show you another way to name cells and how to delete the names if you don't need them anymore. We have learned how to simply name block of cells just by selecting, and then you can just type in the name box. Another way to do the naming is after you select the block of cells you wanted to name, you want to go to the formula tabs and you click on define names. Once you click that, the new name dialog box come up and it's going to simply take the header row name as the default name. But we don't want to call it total cost. We are wanting to name this block of cell as produce. So I'm just going to click at the end of it. I'm going to use my backspace to delete all of this, type in produce, what I wanted to name. Now, by using this define name function, you have another option of using this name in the entire workbook, which is week 2, my list, all of those sheets include in this entire workbook called Excel Part 5. Or if you want to limit this name only to a particular worksheet, such as week 2, such as my list. Okay, so if you wanted to limit to that particular worksheet only, then you can choose so. By limiting to particular worksheet, this name cannot be used in another worksheet. Once you're done, you have to click on OK on that. By doing so, you are naming exactly just like you did the simple way. If you click it away, if you go back to the name box and click on a produce, you got the same result. Now, if you do not want to use this name anymore, and if you're done with it, um, normally you do not want to delete the names as long as you are using the name in the formula. But if you named it wrong, if you named it extra, you don't need that particular name, you may want to delete the names not to confuse the next user. If that is the case, you want to go to the name manager and you will see all the name that you have put in. This table 1 is the default name because we have a table in another worksheet. That's why it just came up. We did not do it on purpose. When you create a table, Excel just gave a name as table 1 and the next table will be table 2, so on and so forth. So right now, this is the name we give. Let's see, we do not need the name anymore. All you have to do is select and hit the delete button. Are you sure you want to delete the name produce? You're going to say OK on that. Again, let me remind you, if you had used that name produce in a formula, you do not want to delete that. If you delete that, your formula result will be invalid. I'm going to click on OK on that. Then I can just click on close. That is how you would name another way in the naming event. I am going to show the next sector how to name for the entire columns and used in the formula. This is the end of this segment. Again, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.